Welcome back. Now news from sports. India will face a big test in their international friendly against Zambia at the Nehru Stadium on Tuesday. India are way down in the FIFA rankings at 162nd position, while their African opponents are perched at the 79th place. This will be a big challenge to Savio Medeira's boys, who have recently defeated Malaysia in an international friendly in Kolkata. But Herve Renard's boys are far greater a team than anybody India have ever faced. After defeating a Goa selection 11 on Saturday in GFA's Golden Jubilee match, Zambia's Copper Bullets will be looking to fire on all cylinders against India. The visitors are expected to put out their best players in the starting lineup, unlike their easy approach strategy in the match against Goa.
Now, tomorrow it should be different, because tomorrow it's an international game. That means we have to be more concentrated. And to play a better football than Saturday.
India coach Savio Medeira will be buoyed by recent performances from his team. But their task will be cut out tomorrow. It will be safe to say that India's basic focus will be to maintain an organized shape in the defence and midfield so as to not provide gaps to the Zambians to explore. Zambia match will be a fine preparation for upcoming SAFF Cup, and Savio will try out different combinations.
No, it will be still a few players which I have to look to. Although I have in my mind what can be the team, what I want to be in the SAFF. But still I want to see 2-3 positions where I'm still not very sure. So most of them will, although we have 6 substitutions, but whoever I need to see more will get a chance tomorrow.
This man is a magician with the ball. Anto from Tamil Nadu will be an added attraction on the match day. His juggling skills will surely mesmerize the Goan spectators.
I have been in Germany for the World Cup in 2010 among the 45,000 people in Stuttgart,
Okay.
and in South Africa in Cape Town,
Okay.
and in Egypt.
So you performed this in front of all those
people.
How
And
was that? What was that experience?
yeah, it's really when I was in Germany, when I was doing in the street, a guy saw me and how he was just was amazed with that one, and one of the guy came and asked me, can you perform in the Stuttgart, the place where the 40,000 people are going to gather to watch the match? And I said that okay, it's okay, I can do it. But the first time when I thought it is 45,000 people, I was scared.
A reporter Samir Bhatt from Madgaon and sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prasad Harmalkar from Panji. Zambia's coach Herve Renard, at 43 years, is one of the young coaches in world football to be a coach of a national team. Herve started in Cannes, France under Master of Youth Football Development Arsene Wenger. Herve uses the same philosophy as Arsenal's head coach and believes in giving youngsters a chance. Prudent caught up with the Frenchman to know how he got into coaching, what he learned from the Gunners' boss Arsene Wenger, and how he applies it to the Zambian national football team. When did you start playing and how did your career pan out?
Yes, I really started in France for the Academy of Cannes. It was a famous academy a few years ago because I was in the academy with Zinedine Zidane. And when I arrived in Cannes, it was in 1983. Arsene Wenger was the coach of the academy. After I played a few games for the professional team, but I started my career of coach very early because I was only 29 years old.
Because he is one coach who really knows how to build up a youngster, bring them as nobodies, and then clubs like AC Milan pick Flamini and Barcelona want Fabregas back. So how much did you manage to learn from Arsene Wenger himself?
It's a long time ago, of course. Now he made a very good way, because after he went to Japan, I saw him 1 or 2 more times, not a lot, but I try to learn what he's doing with Arsenal. Because some people are saying, oh, but they don't win a lot of things, but they don't have sometimes the same utilization of money like some team in England. And me, I like his philosophy because he's able to bring the new players and all the time to take the player from the academy, and this I think it's a very hard job and difficult job.
Herve remains humble and focused with Zambia and keeps his career hopes realistic for the future. From Benauli, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Samir Bhatt. Herve even sounds a bit like Arsene Wenger there. Devendra Joshi has been on the Indian billiard circuit for 2 decades now. However, Devendra was battling with health issues in the last year after he was seen in action at the BPCL Billiards Nationals in Goa. But the Arjuna awardee has put together a few strong performances at the World Billiards Championship and International Snooker Open Billiards. Devendra is notably excited as he handed Mike Russell his first defeat in 3 years. In 2012, a full-fledged billiard circuit will be launched. The veteran cubist is looking forward to that. Devendra is quite excited of his recent exploits, which he has achieved after a while.
Well, I just played the World Billiard Championships in Leeds about 15-20 days back, and it was quite a good event as far as I was concerned. In one of the tournaments, the Northern Snooker Open Billiards, I also managed to overcome Mike Russell, who practically has not lost a match in the last 3 years, in the semi-finals. And in the World Championships, I lost narrowly to Pankaj after leading at the halfway stage. Lost in the last half an hour. So overall it has been quite good. After a long gap, there has been performance, something to note of, and I hope to carry it forward from here. We have a proper billiard circuit probably set up by the end of next year, and it would be quite interesting as far as the billiards players are concerned.
A circuit in India or the world?
In India, a couple of tournaments, as well as in Australia, in Thailand and Singapore, along with UK. So this kind of a circuit is being launched by the end of next year. So there will be a lot of events for billiard players to look forward to.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Miramar. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.